and welcome to another Work With Me tech tutorial for all of your Kajabi course creations needs. I've got the blur background on my Zoom today because my house is a little bit of a mess. I have two clients launching this week, so it's a little crazy around here, but I just learned a new trick and I wanted to teach it with you, teach it to you. Okay, so let me go ahead and get the screen share up. All right, so here we go. So having logos like this on your site is a great form of social proof to build trust and credibility with your potential purchasers or potential students. But sometimes it's hard to find these guys all in white, all in one color, so you can match. So I'm going to show you a fun little trick that I just learned in Canva on how to make a logo that you find white. So we're going to go over here in Canva, and I already did it, but I'm going to start over. It's super simple. You do need Canva Pro to do this. I definitely recommend you have it. I will have my affiliate link for Canva Pro linked below. If you don't have it, go ahead and sign up for it. You won't regret it. I use it literally every single day when I am building Kajabi sites. So you're going to pull your logo that you want in here. I'm going to go ahead and hit edit image, and first you're going to remove the background of this image. So what it's going to do, even though it's white, it's going to take it back. So when I pull it through transparent, it won't pull that white. Go ahead and hit apply. And then you're going to use this duotone. If you don't see it, you can definitely just search it just like this. Then click that duotone. You can pick any single one because we're going to change it all white, so it doesn't matter. And then click this little filter apply button. You're going to change both of your colors to white. And then keep the intensity of 1 and then go ahead and apply. It will turn your logo white. And then you're going to go ahead and download that as a PNG file for your Kajabi with a transparent background. And then go ahead and click this, fix, and download. And it will download your white. I'm going to pull it over here. Let's see if I can pull it over here so you can see it. Yep. We're not pulling. We're not pulling. Let me see. I'm going to switch shares real quick just so you can see that I'm not lying to you that it worked. I'll share right there. There is our white background with a transparent background. You go ahead and upload that onto your logo list in Kajabi, and it will look like this. So hope you enjoyed that tech tutorial and found it useful. Make sure to like and subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos. Thanks.